What if I told you I can make you a healthy cheesecake that actually tastes delicious? This is my chocolate cheesecake, and the key ingredient is really good quality granola. So the filling for this is chocolate and avocado. So I'm just going to cut an avocado in half. We'll take the seed out. Oh, look at that perfect avocado. And we'll scoop this flesh into a food processor. Avocado is full of good oils and it's a fantastic filler for a cheesecake. So it's going to emulate the cream cheese that you would usually use, and it becomes so smooth, almost mousse-like. To this, I'm adding some really good quality dark chocolate. We'll just pour that in. I've melted it and cooled it down slightly. For some sweetness, some maple syrup. And that's why I love making these at home. You can customize it to the way you like. If you want less sweetness, just add a little less maple syrup. Lid goes on and I'll give it a good blend. Okay, have a look at this. It's like an instant chocolate mousse or cheesecake filling. Okay, let's start building this. We'll start with our granola. This one is full of good Australian nuts, seeds and grains. So we're just going to pour that in. There's also cacao and coconut. I want this to go about half of the way up with the big chunks of coconut in there, and it smells fantastic. Press that down, and then for our chocolate avocado mousse, we're going to dollop that on top. And I'll just grab a spatula and we're going to carefully press that down. Now, these need to chill in the fridge. They don't need too long, maybe 1 to 2 hours, and then we can serve them. I'm going to serve them with some berries. Our healthy chocolate cheesecakes are out of the fridge. They've set nicely. And just to garnish this, some raspberries. You can crush the raspberries on top if you like, but these are just so pretty as is. We'll just pile them on top. I just love the contrast in colour. The taste is going to be fantastic. And just for some extra crunch, my granola, we'll sprinkle that over the top. Put it on this one. And I think I should have a taste of this. Ooh, see how that's perfectly set? Just right. It's so decadent, but the fact that the base of that chocolate is avocado, you would never know. It's so tasty, and it's the crunch of the granola, that base of the cheesecake, if you like, that really makes this so lush and yummy. And how pretty does it look with the raspberries to finish it off?